Ever felt like your life is just a script playing out? Determinism says yes, the universe is a giant clockwork, every tick-tock predetermined. Laplace's demon, that mythical supergenius, could supposedly predict everything if it knew the initial state. Sounds neat, right? But what if reality has a few plot twists? Okay, let's rewind. Newton gave us the blueprint, deterministic, reversible. Laplace's demon seemed plausible. Then thermodynamics crashes the party with entropy times arrow pointing one way, making perfect reversibility a statistical ghost. Quantum mechanics throws another wrench in. Uncertainty isn't just ignorance, it's fundamental. Bell's theorem even tells us no local hidden variables can save classical determinism and chaos. Even if you know the rules perfectly, tiny errors snowball, rendering long-term prediction impossible. So, determinism is definitely not as simple as Newton thought. Now, let's zoom into information and complexity. Can we compress the universe's history into a neat formula? Kolmogorov complexity whispers, maybe not for everything. Some systems are inherently complex, computationally irreducible. Think weather. We can model short-term dynamics, but beyond about 14 days, it's effectively random due to chaos and limited precision. Yet, look at self-organization. Flocks of birds, sand piles, reaching criticality, these systems exhibit semantic attractors, stable patterns emerging from simple rules. Order arises. Does this mean a new kind of determinism operates at higher levels, focusing on outcomes rather than trajectories? This brings us to the core of our discussion, the DIKWP framework. Data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. It's not just about processing data, it's about building meaning across layers. We propose a semantic determination function to map causal links between these layers. Crucially, we introduce semantic transition impedance. This explains why moving from raw data to information might be deterministic, but jumping from knowledge to wisdom, or wisdom to purpose, involves non-deterministic leaps. Determinism isn't broken, it's layered and context-dependent. The old Laplacian dream holds only at the lowest data level. So, what does this mean for consciousness and free will? If consciousness is a reflexive loop within DKWP, mapping itself, is it still bound by determinism? Perhaps. But the distinction between subjective feeling of choice and objective constraints becomes crucial. Those semantic attractors, those emergent purposes, do they represent a form of higher-level determinism guiding systems towards meaningful states, even if the path there involves randomness or nonlinearity? Determinism hasn't died. It's evolved, becoming more nuanced, more layered. The universe's order isn't just mechanical, it's semantic. Food for thought, wouldn't you say?